Peggy 16.
The legends had told of her coming. Banisher of darkness. Bringer of light. Redeemer of souls.
The world is ending, and there's no way for any of us to stop it.
It is time. You need to know who we are, what we are.
I've taken a lot of lives, more than I can count. If I had any humanity left, I would have been crushed by the guilt by now. Do I look crushed to you? I'm going to fight for as long as it takes, give whatever it takes, even if it's my humanity.
It was us. We destroyed the world.
There's a lot of chaos swirling around in here. There must be so many millions of souls, and you feel all their pain? That can't be.
Please, save Caius.
So you're here as the savior.
It's for Yule's sake. The chaos here needs to be brought under control.
If you wish to have my soul, you must take it by force.
Chaos is in all of us. It's the stuff our souls are made of. Snow!
Stay back! For 500 years, I watched the world fall into chaos. I watched it die. I couldn't stop it, don't you get that?
Damn it, Vanille, you weren't responsible!
I was!
That god of yours gave you some serious power.
What the hell are you? No, wait!
Destroy me.
Destroy you? You're asking too much, Snow! I was made to serve God. But if that God lies,